Are you tired of constantly logging into your bank app just to check if your direct deposit hit or if you're getting dangerously close to that low balance mark? We've all been there. That little bit of financial anxiety, that feeling of not being 100% sure what's going on with your money. Fortunately, one of the best tools for peace of mind is already right there in your pocket, the popular Direct app. By setting up a few simple alerts, you can turn your phone into your personal financial watchdog, keeping you informed and helping you spot potential issues instantly. Today, we're going to walk through the exact, step-by-step process for setting up these crucial notifications in the popular Direct app. This is the key to effortless money monitoring. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log in and find settings. First, open the popular Direct mobile banking app on your device and log in. Once you're in, you're going to look for the menu or settings area. This is typically an icon in one of the corners, sometimes labeled more or represented by 3 lines or a profile silhouette. Tap that, and look for settings or alerts in the menu list. Step 2. Access the Alerts Management page. Once you're in the settings menu, you should see an option specifically for managing alerts. On popular Direct, this is often labeled Alerts or Alert Management. Tap this to get to the main control center for your notifications. Step 3. Choose your alert type. The app offers a variety of alerts, and this is where you customize your financial safety net. The most common and valuable ones include balance alerts. This is a must-have. You can set it to notify you when your account balance falls below a certain amount, helping you avoid an overdraft, or when it goes above a certain amount, which is great if you're expecting a large transfer or are hitting a savings goal. Deposit/withdrawal alerts. Get a real-time notification when a direct deposit hits, or when any withdrawal over a specific dollar amount is processed. This is essential for security and knowing exactly when your funds are available. Security alerts. These are usually on by default, but double-check. They notify you if your password is changed or if there's a login from a new device. Select the category of alert you want to set up. Step 4. Configure the details and delivery. For the alert you've selected, you'll need to set the specific criteria. For example, if you chose a low balance alert, you'll enter the dollar amount, say, $500, that will trigger the notification. Next, you choose your preferred delivery method. You'll typically have options like push notification, an instant alert right on your phone screen. Email, a detailed message sent to your registered email address. Text/SMS, a short message sent to your mobile number. Select the one that works best for you, or select all of them for maximum coverage. Once everything is set, hit Save or Activate Alert. And that's it. You've just taken a massive step toward proactive, stress-free money management. Now, instead of constantly checking your app will check in with you, only when it really matters. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.